The art of informal writing, mastering social media English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on advanced English vocabulary. Today, we're diving into a fun and engaging part of English language learning, informal writing in social media. As social media becomes more and more prevalent, it's essential to know how to use English colloquially in these online platforms. Before we go ahead, let's understand what we mean by collocations. These are words that naturally go together in English. For example, make a decision, take a shower, or give advice. In social media writing, we use informal collocations like hang out, catch up, or chill out. In social media context, the language used is often casual and conversational. Common collocations might include phrases like, check out this post, let's meet up, throw back to, and shout out to. It's important to remember that these collocations are less formal than what you'd find in a textbook or a news article. They're meant to mimic real conversation, making social media a great tool for language learners seeking to understand how English is used in everyday life. Let's take a look at some typical collocations you might find on social media platforms. 1. Check out. This phrase can be used when you want someone to look at something. For example, check out my latest post. 2. Hit me up. This is a casual way to say contact me. For example, if anyone is around downtown, hit me up. 3. Throw back to. This phrase is used when sharing memories or past events. For example, throw back to our last summer vacation. 4. Give a shout out to. This is used to acknowledge someone or give them recognition. For example, I want to give a shout out to everyone who helped me reach this milestone. These are just a few examples of the informal collocations you'll find in the world of social media. The more you immerse yourself in social media, the more you'll understand and learn. Now, let's practice. Create your own sentences using these collocations. Try to make them as natural and conversational as possible. Remember, social media English is all about casual, friendly interaction. Well, that's it for today's lesson on informal writing in social media. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, the best way to master these collocations is by practice and exposure. So, don't hesitate to get involved in English conversations on social media platforms. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next video. Happy learning!